Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we have discussed question number 1 of exercise 8a. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 2. Question number 2 is, there are 2500 students in a school. Out of them 1100 are girls and the rest are boys. So they have given total number of students, which is 2500, then number of girls is equals to 1100, set rest are boys. It means to find the number of boys, you will subtract the number of girls from the total number of students, right? So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 2 minus 1, 1. So these are the number of boys. Now the first part is find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. So first they said number of boys, right? So in first part we are finding the ratio of number of boys, which is 1400, to the number of girls. So number of girls are 1100. So find its ratio. This can be written as 1400 upon 1100. 0 to 0 cancel out. This is 14 upon 11, and in ratio this can be written as 14:11, right? In second part they are asking to find the ratio of number of girls. So number of girls are 1100 to the number of students. Number of students are 2500. This can also be written as 1100 upon 2500. Zeros to zeros cancel out, which is equals to 11 upon 25, and in ratio this can also be written as 11:25. Now in next third part, find the ratio of number of students. Number of students are 2500 to the number of boys. Number of boys are 1400. This can be written as 2500 upon 1400. Zeros to zeros cancel out. Now this is 25 upon 14, and in ratio we can write it as 25:14, right? So this is your answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. The given figure shows a small garden. ये जो figure given है ये क्या show कर रही है? एक small garden show कर रही है. The shaded part is reserved for planting flowers. ये जो shaded part है, this is reserved for planting flowers, and the rest of the area is for grass. ये जो rest area है, this is for grass. Okay. Then they said find the ratio of the area of garden reserved for planting flowers to the area reserved for grass. Students, for this first of all you will find the area of this small rectangle. इस small rectangle का area find out करते हैं, and this larger rectangle. So let's check how we will do this. In this larger rectangle we have length and breadth. Okay. So in first part I am finding the area of larger rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. And in larger rectangle, length is 12 meter and breadth is 5 meter, right? So 12 multiply 5 meter. So 12 fives are 60 and meter multiply meter means meter square. Clear? Now in second part, find the area of smaller rectangle. But students, to find the area of the smaller rectangle, you need length and breadth. आपको ये तो पता है, right? But आपको ये length नहीं पता. How would you find it? You know this is 12 here. ये पूरा क्या है? 12 है. Okay, 12 meter. And this part is 4 meter. If you will find this part, you will subtract from total 12 में से क्या subtract कर देंगे? 4 meter. So it will be 8 meter. 12 minus 4 is 8 meter, right? So area of smaller rectangle will be length multiply breadth. Length is 12 minus 4 meter, or you can directly write 8 meter, and breadth is 3 meter. Okay, 12 minus 4 is 8 meter, multiply 3 meter. So 8 threes are 24 meter multiply meter, meter square. So this is the area of rectangle which is greater one, and this is the area of smaller rectangle. Now read the further question. Find the ratio of area of garden reserved for planting flowers. फ्लावर्स के लिए कौन सा एरिया रिजर्व हुआ है? स्मॉलर रेक्टेंगल. सो आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? रेशियो ऑफ स्मॉलर रेक्टेंगल 24 मीटर स्क्वायर का रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है विद द एरिया रिजर्व फॉर ग्रास. स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रास के लिए कौन सा एरिया रिजर्व हुआ है? ये. ओके, अगर आप ग्रेटर रेक्टेंगल में से स्मॉलर रेक्टेंगल को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, ग्रास वाला एरिया आ जाएगा. तो ग्रेटर रेक्टेंगल में से जो एरिया है ग्रेटर रेक्टेंगल का, उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर रेक्टेंगल, राइट? 24 मीटर स्क्वायर. देन यू विल गेट दिस एरिया विच इज रिजर्व फॉर ग्रास. क्लियर? ये एरिया किसके लिए रिजर्व है? ग्रास के लिए. एंड हाउ विल यू फाइंड इट? फ्रॉम ग्रेटर रेक्टेंगल सब्ट्रैक्ट द एरिया ऑफ फ्लावर्स. फ्लावर वाला एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. क्लियर? देन यू विल गेट दिस एरिया. सो 24 मीटर स्क्वायर, देन रेशियो 60 मीटर स्क्वायर माइनस 24 मीटर स्क्वायर इज 36 meter square. So this can be written as 24 meter square upon 36 meter square. Meter square to meter square cancel out. Both numerator and denominator are divisible by 12. So cut it. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So this is equals to 2 upon 3, and in ratio this can be written as 2:3. This is your answer. Next question, question number 4. The ratio of the length to the breadth of a rectangle is 5:3. Suppose this is the rectangle, length is 5x. मान लेते हैं लेंथ भी 5x and breadth भी 3x, right? So ratio of the length to the breadth is 5:3. So the length be, let the length be लेंथ कितनी मानी है हमने? 5x and breadth भी 3x. Now we know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. उन्होंने perimeter दिया हुआ है ना, perimeter is (144 meter). We know the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. Perimeter they have given, so in place of perimeter put 144 meter is equals to 2 into in place of length put 5x, in place of breadth put 3x. Right, this was length and this was breadth. Now solve the further question. 144 meter is equals to 2 into 5x plus 3x, 8x. Right, 144 meter is equals to 8 to the 16x. Now you want to find the value of this x, right? So you will move the 16 to the another side. Here this is in multiplication. After moving to the another side, this will be in division. So x is equals to 144 meter upon 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 nines are 144. So the value of x is 9 upon 1 meter, or you can write 9 meter. This is the value of x. But in the question they were asking about the length or the breadth. So what is length? Length is 5x. 5 multiply x is 9 meter. So 9 5s are 45 meter. This is the length. And the breadth was 3x. So breadth is 3x. It means 3 multiply x is 9 meter. So 3 nines are 27 meter. This is your answer. Next, question number 5. Divide rupees 7,400 among 3 people A, B and C in the ratio 3:5:12. So first of all, you will find the sum of these ratios. Ratios are 3:5:12. Sum of the ratio will be 3 plus 5 plus 12, which is 5 plus 3, 8 plus 12 is 20. Now you want to find the share of A. Okay, so A's share, A का share कितना होगा? First of all, write the part of A, which is 3 upon total, which is 20, and multiplied by the total amount, which is 7,400. This denominator and this numerator, 0 can be cancelled out. Now this 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 0 as it is. So what you are getting? 3 multiply rupees 370. When you will multiply it, you will get rupees 1,110, right? Now to find the share of B. B's share, write the ratio given for B, 5. In denominator, the sum of the ratios 20 multiplied by the total sum, the amount which we are dividing. Okay, so 7,400. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 0. When you will multiply 5 by rupees 370, you will get rupees 1,850. This is the share of B. Similarly, find the share of C. C का share कैसे find out करेंगे? Write the given share of C, which is 12. In denominator, sum of the ratios 20 multiplied by the total amount which you are dividing, 400. Okay, multiplied by 7,400. 0 to 0 cancel out. 2 3s are 6, 2 sevens are 14, 0. When you will multiply them, you will get rupees 4,440. Okay, so this is the share of A, this is the share of B, and this is the share of C, which they were asking in the question. So this is your answer. Next question, question number 6. Divide 104 pencils amongst 3 children in ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. Students, when they have given ratios in the form of fractions, first of all, try to write them in the simple numbers. How would you write it? If ratio is 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. First of all, take the LCM of denominators. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 2 twos are 4. 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 1 as it is. Okay, so the LCM is 3 twos are 6, 2s are 12. Okay, so multiply the first fraction by LCM 12, similarly second by 12, similarly third by 12. Now 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So now your ratio is, अब क्या आ जाता है आपके पास रेशियो 6:4:3. Now the sum of the ratio is, sum ratio कितना है 6 + 4 + 3 which is 13. Clear? Now the ratio of first child का ratio find out करते हैं. Write first ratio 6 divided by sum of the ratios, multiply the total number of pencils 104. 13 8s are 104, so 6 multiply 8 is 48. So first child get 48 pencils. Similarly for second child के लिए कैसे निकालेंगे? Write the ratio given for second child 4 upon total, the sum of ratios, multiply total number of pencils. 13 8s are 104, so 4 8s are 32. 32 pencils given to the second child. Now for third child के लिए कैसे निकालेंगे? Third ratio 3 upon sum of the ratios, multiply by the total number of pencils. 13 8s are 104, 3 8s are 24, so third child is getting 24 pencils, and these are the pencils for first child, second child, third child, which they were asking in the question. So this is your answer. Next, question number 7. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So the ratio of angle is ratio of angles कितना गिवन है? 1:2:3:4. Sum of the ratio is 1 + 2 + 3 + 4. It means 4 + 3 7 + 2 9 + 1 10. Sum is 10. Okay. Now first angle will be first angle कितना होगा? Write the ratio of first angle 1 in denominator, sum of the ratios 10, multiply by sum of the angles which is 360. 0 to 0 cancel out, so the first angle is 36 degree. Second angle will be, write the second ratio which is 2, denominator will be sum of the ratios 10, multiply sum of the angles 360 degree. 0 to 0 cancel out, 2 multiply 36 is 72 degree. This is the second angle. Third angle will be, write third ratio 3 upon sum of the ratios, multiply the sum of the angles. 0 to 0 cancel out. 36 multiply 3 is 108 degree. So this is the third angle. Fourth angle is write fourth ratio 4 upon sum of the ratios 10 multiply sum of the angles. 0 to 0 cancel out. 4 multiply 36 is 144 degree. So 36 degree is the first angle, 72 degree is the second angle, third angle is 108 degree and fourth angle is 144 degree. These are four angles of quadrilateral which they were asking in the question. So this is your answer. So students, in today's class we have discussed from question number 2 to question number 7. In next class we will start with the question number 8. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.